So this is me in Roppongi at around probably 6:30 in the morning. How did I get there? A lot of people from the hostel that night wanted to go out and party at a club, so we all went to Roppongi. Probably like nine of us, yeah, something like that. So we went to this club called Yellow. We partied all night. Everyone left a little bit earlier than I did. I stayed until the club closed. I was walking around trying to find some food before I went to the hostel again. So this is me pretty much just exploring the streets and trying to find some good eats. A little bit about it, if you ever come to Tokyo and you want to have a good time, just go to Roppongi. That's where all the Westerners go, and there's lots of foreign people there. So if you don't have good command of the language, if you know a little bit of English, you'll be fine, because everyone out there really speaks a lot of English, a lot more than anywhere else anyway. So let's take a look at Roppongi and the Japanese subway system.
So it is 8:15 in the morning. Again, I was partying in Roppongi at this club called Yellow. Haha, Yellow. Alright, Japan, Yellow. Right, so I was partying in this club called Yellow, and afterwards, before I went to my hostel, trying to find something to eat. So I figure I walk up and down the street. And what do I see? Who do I meet? It feels like I'm not in Japan anymore. Why? Nah. What's up? Alright. Keep it. Why? Nah. No, that's not why. Because this place is fucking dirty, mate. It's fucking dirty. This is the dirtiest place I've seen in Japan. I've never been to New York recently, but someone's coming in? Saw that, right? Yeah, that's cool. But what's it called? Yeah. I haven't been to New York recently, but I imagine this is what it's kind of like. Since I've been walking up and down the street for like 10 minutes now, I've been approached by this lady and more, who asked me if I want a massage. Now, I doubt she would give it to me, and I seriously doubt I would take it, but it is kind of ill. Thought I knew her for a second. It's kind of ill. See these three girls right here? This one, that one. Hookers. But anyway, let's get some hot Japanese girls. Some dirty Japanese girls. Get the shit on camera. But yeah, this is Roppongi. One street. What street is this? I don't know what street this is. Oh, fight. Shouldn't have said that so loud. Forgot where I was. Pretty fast though. Got the bento. Right. Yeah, when I get a better shot, I'll click back. Roppongi. Ah, look at this tower. Pretty fucking cool. Look at this guy. Chilling. Look at the guy over there sleeping on the corner. Forgot to get that. Hold on. Saw a lot of this today, but this kind of happens a lot in Japan anyway, from what I see. Passed out women, passed out men. It's crazy, man. It's a city. Oh yeah, here's some more Roppongi. I'm gonna try and find my way back to the fucking hostel and get some rest, because tomorrow I gotta go to Harajuku and see some cosplay. Well, tomorrow is actually today now, but I guess later, in a few hours when I wake up, I gotta go to Harajuku. And supposed to be some like cosplay fair happening, so lots of cosplay, lots of weirdness that you won't get in America, I guess. Sorry for the lack of video, my camera has been acting up. It's been eating power like none other. But there's one thing I love about Japan. that shit. All of them look like they taste pretty fucking good, yeah? All of them! Roppongi. Roppongi. So I look like a fucking tourist now. But I am a tourist, so fuck it. That guy looks very happy. So, this is the way, the toy subway. Back on later. Japanese ads. Woo. I don't know what the fuck I'm going. All I know is I've got to pay $2.90, which is about $3. 290 yen to get back to my hospital. Signing off for a second. Oh, you can see me, huh? So, I've got my subway ticket to Kuramae, and I'm waiting for the subway to come. This is the Japanese subway. Dun, dun, dun. Dun, dun, dun. Sorry about that. Oh, chilling. The guard. Looks pretty cool. Looks pretty futuristic. I just want to be in my movie. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. But yeah. Interesting. Yeah, so last night I went to Shibuya, which was absolutely amazing. It is the best thing I've seen since I've gotten to Japan. Shibuya is awesome. Roppongi is not. So yeah, when the train comes out, I'll kick back over, yeah? Stand up. Cool. Dance Sentinel subway. Announcing the train is coming and blah blah blah. Yakety smackety. Here we go. Oh shit! Oh shit! Now I don't really want to keep this thing on while I'm on the cart. There's a lot of people in there because I don't want to look like a complete tourist, but there's usually people sleeping or drunk or sleeping and drunk. And it is, well, speak of the devil. She's sleeping. She's gotta go to work. Everyone's gotta go to work. So yeah, this is what the subway looks like. People chilling, sleeping. You wonder why she's wearing that mask? Because she's sick. And she's courteous enough not to want to spread her germs to the rest of the world. It's a pretty cool thing about the culture. And she is, yeah, she's sleeping. My stop, Kuramae.
Yo pienso en los